Good afternoon, everybody. Let's get right to it. Thursday, the 4th of April. Let's get right to it. Welcome, everybody. We're watching TVGN, one of the unicorn that we handled in pre-market before the market open. Good morning, everybody. Lawrence, Sam, Travis, Sunray, MP, Fate, Stray Picking. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, wherever you are. GRRR is moving, but we've got a big seller still there, man, around the 105. So this is the level that we have to break for today. We have the seller just came in before this level. We'll watch GRRR because it's just pumped in pre-market. We'll see if we're gonna have another pump. High tide, guys, one of the cannabis stocks doing all right. So let us wait everybody to tune in. Let us keep the chart on TVGN because it's the top gainer for today. And the unicorn, it might be unicorn if we broke the resistance for it. So I'm watching this one closely, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Thank you for the support. Greg said GWAV looking good. Hakuna Matata. Yes, Hakuna Matata, man. Hakuna Matata. So, hologram, someone said, is moving, yes, but still below the resistance. We've got Sunrise, CGC, thank you for the reminder. G-Wave, CGC. CGC, nope, not good. Not good yet. He's pulling back. I think we're gonna have a pullback toward the 919. For G-Wave, the same. Not interested in this one as well. So watch TVGN instead. This is it. RELI, we were watching this one, but now I'm not watching it. Maybe we're gonna have a reversal right now over this support, the 47. So there's a chance for a reversal. Otherwise, we're gonna continue to go down. But the one that looked good is High Tide and TVGN. TVGN looking pretty nice. But the short added their position there, guys. So this is the level that we have to watch out for a breakout on the market open around the 518. TVGN, one of the top gainers, we already hunted for this one. We already traded this stock in our Discord, guys, before the market open on our live streaming here. It was the only one that we were watching. We said we have to focus on this stock because it looked good. Yeah, we were watching TVGN here, guys. As we said, we've got a big seller on the 547. It was a really good hunt for today, and we were watching for a breakout from the 547, but we didn't, and the price will pull down. But we entered around the 488, and we exited around the 540. It was a really quick trade for us, and we were on with our hunters. Today on our live streaming that we did 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open, that we daily do, guys, always do here on our Discord and Patreon. TVGN is breaking out. TVGN is breaking out, guys. TVGN is moving. We have a big buyer over the 514. Now is moving. Watch out, TVGN. Some of you said Nikola is moving. Where is Nikola? Nikola, yes, is moving 8%. Whoa, what's going on with Nikola, everybody? Nikola is moving because, yes, we got near the bottom, near the 82. So Nikola looking pretty nice. I will put it down there. Let us check all the stocks if we get something is moving. We've got Live W, the same, looking interesting for another pump here. VVBR not that good for today. Yeah, I think we got seller there around the 477. It could be good. It could be good. XTIA pulled back after we hit the 507. iBio is still holding the support. Lunar is pulling back. Cooler. Kind of not interesting here. Hologram looking good, guys, for a break from the 450. I'm gonna lower it down as well because looking ready. Z said MD. I'm gonna take it from the list. Broke the support. Yeah, TVGN. I'm still waiting for this one. Still waiting for the breakout, the real breakout around the 548. TVGN looking pretty nice, guys. Hit the like button and the way in. As we said, this one was perfect on our live streaming that we did earlier on Discord and Patreon. If you want to have early access to this live stream, you can join us here on our Patreon, guys. Once you join our Patreon, you're gonna have access to this live streaming and early access. Daily hunt, guys. Not one day, but each day. Each day we do this kind of trades. Live streaming, early live streaming. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Good morning, Dan. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing, brother, today? TVGN is the main list today. TVGN is on the main list to watch. Someone said breakout for Sandiel. TRY, guys, looking pretty nice. Ford looking pretty nice, almost 2%. I'm watching for another kick on the market open, guys. For Ford, we expect 3% at least on the market open before a pullback. Okay, Palantir started to reverse here. Let us check the star screener for today if we got something beside TVGN. TVGN is first, after that HWH. RELI, we got CADL. Not interested in this one. Nikola is moving 11%. You got the target or level for the short seller to cover around the 119. Hologram, guys, we might have a drastic change in price action once we break the 450. How everybody doing? We're still watching for this unicorn. We might have a pump for it on the market open once we break the 550. Dan, thank you for the support, brother. Thank you for your generosity. Look, Dan, for TVGN, as we said, the bottom support that we hold or we should hold on the market open is over the 440 and the 420. So as long as we hold here, game on. In if we broke the 548, there's an entry here. We have already have an entry over this bottom. If you didn't enter near this support, you have another entry over the 550. So once we break this level, we have an entry for the 649. Let me just check how much here. Yes, we could do at least, yeah, 12%, 13%. So we got target around the 620 and the 649. So from the 620, you should take profit on this one. Start, take profit. We have a range because we might have a wick and get rejected because there is a hidden seller there. Big hidden seller around this area. So this is the plan. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. Look at that. TVGN is the only one that's looking interesting before the market open. This one already hunted for before the market open by 2 hours, as you can see here, and 30 minutes. The live streaming that we do daily, guys, every day, hunt before the market open. So we entered and exited for this trade. We entered around this breakout. It was around the 488, and we exited around the 547 because we spotted this seller. And now he's waiting for a breakout from the 550 for another pump up for TVGN. GRRR getting near the $1, or we hit the $1, and that's why we went down. We hit the 99 cents. 99 cents. Crazy number. We hit the 99 cents. Nicholas is jumping everybody. I think we've got a resistance there, guys. I don't know if we're gonna break it. $1.02. This is would be a pullback zone for Nikola before going to test the 120. So yeah, we've got a resistance coming up right now for Nikola around the $1.02. Hologram 450. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Lawrence. Yes, here. Everybody asking about the resistance is clear, guys. The orange line always the resistance. Even if I didn't say, if I forget, if I went to sleep, the orange line is the resistance or short adding their position. We need to break it. Simple as that. Good afternoon, John. Charles, hologram have dark pool action, so the volume will pick up pretty soon if we broke the resistance for hologram. So hologram, no volume, but this one, it jumped on no volume because have dark pool action like this one. We jumped on light volume yesterday. Let me just check hologram if we have it here. Yeah, pre-market volume just half a million. So yeah, still low. Once the market opened, this is could change, guys, for hologram. This could change. RELI looking interesting. RELI looking interesting. Ford, yesterday we've got 2, almost 3%, and now is almost around the 2%. We've got hold opinion on shares of Ford Motors. Ford Motors QA sales up 7%. We've got yeah, good news for the sales. Ford Motor reported considering producing a new SVU in Valencia, Spain. We got many news regarding Ford. Yeah, that's why we've got another jump for Ford in the pre-market. Okay, TVGN is pulling back again. Is pulling back again. Yes, the seller just added just below the 450, guys. We got a big seller here. So this one, if it want to squeeze, we have to break this orange line. No, we're not ready yet. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Let us check the markets. How long or how many time are we missing here? We go to the markets, we see that we have 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left on the market open, and for April we don't have any holidays, guys. As you can see here, no holidays. Next month we have holidays for Memorial Day, the 27th of May. After that we have the summer. So we have just 2 months for summer, man. Almost half of the year gone, guys. 2024 went really quick, to be honest. Went really fast. Nicola pulling back right around our resistance 102. Hologram getting near. So we're watching closely. CGC, Mara, and HUT done. I will check it for you, brother. TCBP. String picking, RELI, I don't like it that much. However, if you want to enter, make the support or stop loss just over the 47. For John, brother, TCBP. TCBP. I will check it right now for you. This one have this one is tricky, man. So I don't trust this one, man. I don't trust it. It is a bit dangerous to buy. We got big seller around the $3.11, so this is the squeeze zone. Support is not that clear, so I would be extremely careful with this one. We have kind of support over the 130. On the first one is 190, resistant or squeeze $3.11, $4, and the 560 is the profit. Now let me just check Mara for my brother Dan. For Mara. Mara is pushing up. We got mini resistance here on the market open to clear it. So yeah, it looked good for us day trade if we broke the 2020 or the 2030. The big resistance is still around the 25. That's why we got shorted. But for today market, we have to watch out for this breakout around the 2030. After that, we have fast profit for this one should be just 3% around the 21. And after that, we have the 2248. So we have really quick profit here for Mara if we broke the 2030 and the market open. Otherwise, if we don't break it, it mean going down for Mara toward the 1630. And here should be a good dip to buy around the 16 and the 14. For the other stock, CGC, and the other one, HUT, let me just check those two. For HUT, still looking good as long as we hold the $8.30. So this is should be the support. Resistance, this is will be tested now. I think it's been tested now. Yeah, this time we have to break the 11. Okay, so this one is not clear enough for me. There is a lot of manipulation going on for the resistance. Anyway, we have kind of support over here over the 960. So this is first support that we should hold for HUT for today to confirm that we're gonna have another pump toward the 12, 13, and 16. So if we want to confirm this reversal done, we need to hold over the 960. Will be really good for today. If we hold the 960, will be perfect. Yes, the gain that we did today, because today we jumped from this almost 6%. So we need to hold the over the 960 to go toward at least toward the 12th or almost the 12th, the 1160. For CGC, on the other hand, looking interesting if we broke the 1145. For support to hold for today is the 895. Profit taken if we broke the resistance 1250, 1550, and the 1915. Those target will take a bit of time to hit. Yeah, will take a lot of time. But the first target is the 1250. I'm gonna keep HUT because it looks interesting. And Mara as well because it's about to break a critical zone. Because if we don't break this level, it'll be perfect for short. Yes, it'd be nice for short. How many time we've got here? 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes left. So the disclaimer before we start our live streaming for today, everybody, for the market. Remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you. And never run after the price. Remember, we always do our live streaming here on YouTube daily. So if this is the first time, make sure to come early because we always do it early here on YouTube 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, everybody, we always do our live stream on Discord and Patreon. So guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and put the notification bell so you never miss my updates for the live streaming and video that we do every day. And share our live streaming. Sharing is caring. Thank you in advance. Hit the like button on the way in. And let's kick our live streaming for today, everybody, because we watching. Whoa, Mara is pulling back big time here. So let's get right to it, guys, and go to TVGN because we waiting for a break from the 548. If we have this break, it would be perfect for today. GRRR, we need to hold the 87. High tide looking perfect because we kind of broke the $2.80 target is $3.67. Nicola is yeah, got rejected around the 102. So if we don't break this level, is mean we're gonna have a pullback toward this box. Big seller is around the $1.02. Yes, we have 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds on the market open. Countdown. Countdown. Holo up, holo up. Yes, holo is pumping. Let me just go to hologram. Hologram, we're gonna keep it on the list here because it look crazy good. This is it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hologram is about to squeeze. Yeah, market open. TVGN still holding. Which one? Which one will squeeze, guys? Which one will squeeze up? Hologram, we have a support here to hold on the market open. We don't want to break this level, guys. The $3.88. TVGN is pulling back. Watch out, guys. We need to hold this support if we want to have a reversal. If we want to have a reversal, we need to hold over the 440 and the 420. Still, TVGN, watch out. We have a bit of weakness here. This is it. We should have a reversal anytime soon around this box. Yeah, Nicola, we have a big buyer, but we're still below the resistance. RELI, we have a big buyer over the 47. RELI, guys, looking interesting. Ford, guys, is squeezing. Ford is squeezing, as we said from yesterday video. Hopefully you saw our video. 2% right now. RELI, let us check this one. RELI. Yes, I think we've got another seller, guys. Another seller there on the 54. GRRR, not good. I'm gonna take it from the list. Watching TVGN because this is it. We said the reversal. We tested our box. That's why we reverse now. Hologram. We might have a pump for hologram. Watch out, hologram. We might have a nice pump here for hologram. Watch out, hologram. Looking interesting for a breakout. Okay, hologram. We might have a breakout here for hologram. Yo, what's going on with hologram? Yes, we might have a breakout right now. Hologram, we have an interesting buyer. Are we gonna have a pump? Yes, let me just adjust the level that we might get tested at, the $5. We have the $5 as a target for hologram right now, guys. Hologram, we have interesting buyer for hologram. $5 should be the first target. After that, we have the $5.87. Two targets. If we squeeze, the support right now for hologram is over the $4, give or take. Yes, over the 390. This is the level that we should hold. Target $5. Hologram looking interesting. Yes, TVGN. Not good anymore, guys. TVGN. Let me just take this. Yeah, we holding the last bottom for hologram, for TVGN. The last bottom, guys. If we don't hold here, it's game over. If we don't hold, it's mean game over. And I think the short just added there on the market open. We just spotted the seller. They added around the 476. So this is the last bottom for TVGN to reverse from 419, guys. 419. The resistance now is 475. Hologram is still holding. Hologram is still holding. We need the $5 to pump up. We need the 5. Yes, almost the 5. Okay, let me just check the markets. Oh man, Ford is pulling back. Okay, normal. Some people taking profit. Tiro Y is pulling back as well. We have a pullback. We have a pullback. Meta pumping 3%. What's going on with Meta? I think we have some news here. Yeah, it's going to all-time high again with Amazon. Palantir, let me just check crypto stocks. Mara is in the green side. Guys, Mara, it could have a breakout right now from the 2033. This would be a really interesting play. HUT, we've got a big buyer for HUT. Hologram is pulling back. And this one is pulling back as well. Okay, watch out for TVGN, guys. If we don't hold the 419 is not good. So now the game plan is holding here in order to have a reversal. If we didn't, is mean we're gonna have a pullback. So we might have a little entry for this one TVGN because it's really near the support here. TVGN, let's see if we're gonna have a reversal right there. Yeah, we have the 419 as a support, guys. As long as we hold here is perfect. So we could risk, how much? Yeah, 5%, and the gain could be 20%. Hologram still holding. Hologram is kind of tricky right now for hologram, so stay away from it. It's not stable for hologram. RELI looking pretty nice right now. I might go to RELI, guys. Yeah, it looked good, kind of good right now. Let me just see if we hold this break. We might have a dip here. Yes. We might have a huge dip. Are we gonna have a reversal? 47. Big seller came around the 57. Oh man, this one is dangerous right now. Yeah, around the 58 was big resistance. And now we might have a reversal. Yes, right around the 47. TVGN guys started to reverse. Nice support here for TVGN. So TVGN looking good. Yeah, TVGN looking good for a reversal, everybody. Yeah, for RELI need a bit of time. We need to hold over the 47 to have a reversal. So the 47 should be our reversal. TVGN is dipping some more. If we broke this level, is mean game over for TVGN, guys. If we broke this level, is mean game over. Okay, we've got a nice day for crypto stocks. A lot of trees. For Ford is coming up, back up. Watch out, Ford. We have another buyer, a huge wick here for Ford. Is mean now we're gonna have another kick up for today. We expect 4% as we said, guys. 4% at least. We need by tomorrow hitting the 1450. TVGN not that good, guys, anymore. To be honest, not that good anymore. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a flash for TVGN. So save yourself from this one. Not good anymore. So in the pre-market was good. We have near experience of breakout. We pulled back, market open, short seller added here, now pulling back. So it's time to short this one, guys. Short added big position. So I will stay away from it for now. TVGN, dangerous. RELI, on the other hand, is still holding the support tightly, the 47. This one as well, if we hold the 47 would be good. High tide got shorted right or around the resistance. Hologram got shorted as well. GRRR is still holding here. Let me just check if we got something because we have a mini pullback for the market. Right now we got mini stocks got pulled back. VNDA, one of the top gainer yesterday, but today low on volume. Yeah, this one is flashing. TVGN, it was really good in the pre-market, but now is flashing. You see, guys, this is one of the main thing that why we do our live streaming early each day on our Discord. This one was really good in the pre-market and we hunted and we took profit even around the 450. Then Short added, market open, game over for TVGN. So this is how and why we trade in a pre-market, just in case if the market doesn't give us some gains during the market open. So this one was perfect in pre-market, market open, went down. You see, not good. For Nikola, on the other hand, I'm still waiting for a break from the $1 again. $1 RELI, game over as well. We broke the 46. So this one is flushing down as well. RELI is going down south. RELI have a support now around the 39. TVGN, nope. Hologram, nope. So yeah, we have to be on the sideline right now, guys. The market is not good. So far, so not good. So we have to wait for the right moment to enter again. XTIA, it was good before. Now, after hitting our profit taken, went down. We already discussed this stock back then, guys. We discussed Nikola, we discussed Reddit, and lastly, we discussed XTIA. This trade, I think, was on the 2nd of April, and the price was near the $3, and we said the 540, yes, around the 540, and the first profit is 434. We hit the 5, we went down now. So it doesn't look good for the time being. GRRR, the same, doesn't look good technically for now. So I'm gonna take it from the list. VVBR, this one is still have a chance to break from this resistance. And this one, take it from the list. Live W, not that good. So we left with Nikola, RELI. TVGN is going toward the 440. This one might reverse later because it's still 40% up. But yeah, we have to wait for another dip then. Aha, so we tried to break the 20. It's not stable again for Mara, and around this level is not that stable. We have accumulation for Ford. It need to have another kick here. We're still waiting for a buyer. The market have a bit of pullback, as you see here for Nvidia. NEO start to move, but I'm not convinced until we break the 478. Okay, let me just check. TCBP. Yeah, it hit the resistance. Now it's time for a pullback. YTEN. Let me just check this one. YTEN. Yeah, I think we already did the alert for one of our elite hunter ask us about this one. John, I think you asked me about this one before. We said the 46 is the resistance. So this one have a huge resistance around the 46. Support will reverse from it around the 28. Again, is not my cup of tea. Guys, hit the like. Hit the like button and the way in. Hit the like button and the way in. There is always a chance in the market. Let's see if we're gonna have a nice day for today. TVGN was good in pre-market. TCBP just came in. On the market open, guys, this one squeezed. On the market open, squeezed up. So now we'll give a bit of profit back. We've got this one, it's pulling back down. LEVI. Yeah, this one was good. Okay, watch out for Nikola, everybody. We might have something here. Nikola looking good. With Ford, of course. Ford looking good for swing, as we said from the last week even. Let's see if we're gonna have a nice squeeze for Nikola. Yeah, still testing the $1. Remember, guys, we always go live each day. Hit the like, subscribe, and support the channel because we always go live every day, everybody. CGC, not good, man. I don't like it. HUT, on the other hand, HUT, nothing much. As we said, the 960 is the support for today. This one is a swing trade, man. So it's not unicorn. So will take some time to go toward the 12 because the 12 is the resistance and squeeze. We have 16%. So the first level that we have to break is the 1060. So if we broke the 1060, is mean we're gonna go toward the 12 and the 1170. TCBP, this one, the same time, we need to have a breakout from the 318. This one could be good if we held right now over the $2.70. TCBP looking good with Nikola. So TCBP looking good, guys, for a breakout. If we held the $2.70, will be perfection. TCBP. Yeah, if we held here, guys, it would be nice. Let me just check. Yeah, it looked good for a little entry. If we held over the 270 would be nice. How much you could risk here? You could risk 8% and the gain could be 40%. Yes, sir. This one could be a big gainer. First profit should be around the 350. After that, $4. TCBB, I'm waiting patiently for another retest for the $3.18. Nikola, I'm waiting for a breakout from the 101. And Ford, I'm waiting. Yes, new high. We have a new high right now. So I'm waiting for the 1450, guys. Ford missing another 4%. So by today, guys, by tomorrow, maybe Friday, we might have this test. By tomorrow. Oh, patience is the key. It's easy. You say, Jesus, it's easy for you to say. It's easy for you to say, have patience. Yes, man, it's easy for me to say. ATAI running. Ford is going to the moon. Okay. Pre-market TCPP still nice. Is about to squeeze now. Nikola, guys, entry. Some of you said Nikola entry is testing right now the breakout. So if you want to enter, watch out for this support first or the stop loss 93. Entry is once we break the 102 or right now. And then we've got a target to go to is around the 108 and 120. This is for Nikola. RELI, nothing much. TCBP is looking pretty nice. Come on, TCBP, we need something. Hit the like, guys, hit the like. ATAI, anything have AI, guys, at the end is squeezing. ATAI is pumping 15%, but guys, this one looking really nice on the 4-hour chart. Whoa, this one, man, thank you for this one. Look really beautiful. Jumping after nice earnings. ATAI looking pretty juicy for me. Yeah, looking pretty juicy. Nice. I'm gonna keep it for a later hunt. Okay, TCBB still need a big buyer, guys, to make the short cover there. Nikola is pumping right now. RELI, nothing much. Perfect. We're watching TCBP right now. TCBP. Yeah, TCBP, we didn't like it before because the trend wasn't undecided before. Now we have another data changed and now it look good. Has TVGN bottomed? TVGN, on the other hand, not yet, man, not yet. Not yet. Because you're still below the resistance for 20, is mean there is a chance for another pullback down. Nikola is doing all right now. TCBB. Okay, we have a big buyer coming in right now. There's a chance for a squeeze around the $3.18 right now, guys. Watch out. If we broke the $3.18, hallelujah. Otherwise, we're gonna have a push down right now. Now or never for TCBB. Guys, hit the like. As we said, we always go live each day, 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord, 2 hours and 30 minutes. So if you want to wake up early and hunt with us, you can join us here. because sometimes the market give nice gains in the pre-market. Like for this one, we did a nice gain for this for one. We entered here around the 480. We took profit around the 550, and we said exit for our hunters before this push back for the stocks. As you can see here for TVGN, it was a really nice trade, guys. So that's why we do our early hunt early on our Patreon. So how you have access to this early hunts is really easy. You join us on Patreon. After that, you're gonna have access to our Discord. If you can't, or if you don't know how to link Patreon to Discord, I will send you how to do that and make it easier for you to join us on Discord. So don't worry about how to link and how everything works. Once you join, I'm going to send you the message about how to join us. In the time being, we're still watching TCPP for a breakout. Nicola still have a chance to go toward the 108. We've got Mara pulling back. We don't have a breakout. HUT, we have the 1060 as a resistance. And Ford is still, yes, still slow and steady, as we said. Slow and steady for Ford. Slow and steady. TCBP, come on, we need a kick toward the 350. We're getting near the 100 likes. Guys, hit the like, and spread the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for being a member. And whatever you do, liking, commenting, whatever you do, thank you in advance. Yes, man, I'm holding it. Ford is good, man. Ford is good. Not financial advice, brother, but Ford, it look really good. We're still holding it because it's swing trade, man. This is not a day trade, it's a swing trade. TCBB looking interesting, but we didn't break the $3.18 yet, so we might have a pullback. So the best way is to just take a little profit here, close it, or we just keep it because we have little entry for it, so I don't care even if the price pull back. Anyway, Nikola pulling back a bit. RELI, nothing much. GTAI, nothing much. TVGN is still pulling back, as we said, guys. Still, there's no bottom yet. We have to test the 340. This one, still waiting for a breakout. How everybody doing? How everybody doing? The breakout is imminent. Come on, we need another push to TCPP. Hologram, I took it from the list, man. Doesn't look good anymore. Hologram doesn't look. Yeah, we have a reversal from the support, so we still have a chance for reversal, but we have a huge pullback, so I don't trust it for now. Guys, when I say I don't trust the stock or I don't like it, is mean I don't like it in the current situation, in the first, right, let's say 5 minutes, 1 hour, and everything could change after 1 hour. So I'm not changing my mind. I'm just waiting for the chart to give me some signal. So for hologram, I say I don't like it just for now, just for this hour, because we do day trading, guys. Every hour can give us a different story. So don't say Jesus changed his mind, what you doing, or make your mind. No, I'm making my mind right now because I don't care about the stock, what it's doing after like 1 second, but I'm just caring right now. If it look good, it look good. After that, 1 hour, 2 hours, everything could change. Maybe I will like it. Stocks could change, people could change. So everything could change, man, even trees. So stocks like a human being. Don't be rigid and say, why you change your mind by that person? Okay, if that person went to prison, of course we have to give the chance for this guy to go to community and work, you know. So bad person will not be bad person for life. People could change. Short interest ratio, you can find it for in many paid websites. They actually offer this kind of thing. Let me just show you. One of them is there, I think, for I think yes, for this one you can see, look, trading volume, you have options. Let's see AMC and go toward yeah, short sale restriction, and you go on the yeah, you have this. Let me just go first before I forget for the trade and halted stocks. Okay, we don't have any stock got halted. We got this one. John, you asked me about this one. ALUR got halted just 15 minutes from the market open. And let me just check this one. Very quick. Yes, I said I don't like it. Again, I don't like it right now. Maybe the technical will change later, but now is not that good, man. Just watch out for the support here. Look good, $2.55. Target for this one is around the 340 and the 390. So yeah, we've got a nice support to hold for this one over the 250. Target 340 and the 396. Yeah, HUT reversed nicely. I don't trust the resistance for this one. TCBP flush down. Okay, we have a big seller, guys. Big seller came in for TCBP right around the $3.18, so it's not good. So now we broke this support. We have another support to reverse from around $2.37. For Nikola, we have a pullback around the $1. Was around the $1 something here. So I'm gonna take the profit taken. Yeah, 1.03. We've got the seller around the $1.03. Nikola, we have a support right now to hold. If we don't want to have a flush for today, we need to hold this support, guys, over the 93, exactly there. ALUR looking good. ALUR looking pretty nice now. It's getting near the $3.40. Let me update the support for this one. $2.90. Exactly that. Okay, we have those stocks that pumping in the pre-market. We've got LEVI have a huge pump. Yeah, yesterday. This is the one that we talked about yesterday, Nazim. It went really good. It went and held our support perfectly, and now hit the profit taken. Is going toward the second profit taken. This one we discussed yesterday. I almost did a chart update for it, but I don't have it on my other broker, so I didn't do the update for it. So it's next time, even if I don't have it on my broker, I will just put that. I will put the stock anyway because last swing trade that we did for our hunters was for HUT, guys, and that jumped 20%, and this one almost 20%. So yeah, I will make sure to put the swing trade. Once I see it, guys, I will put the swing trade. Lesson learned. LEVI, we've got TCPP, the top volume gainer for today, 64 million. This one, it might have a reversal, guys. There's a chance for a reversal. If we held the current support over the 230 and the second support or the bottom for today should be the 190. ALUR reverse, so this one looking interesting for another pump up. TVGN, yes, I think we'll find bottom over the 340. And those the unicorn for today. Let me just check if we got a swing trade. Palantir, this one, nope. Tesla is in green a bit. SOUN broke the first support. AMD in red a bit for today. SunDL, some of you ask about SunDL. Cannabis stock doing really good, guys. We have to do update for them. Yeah, we have to do urgent update. Urgent update. I'm not kidding, guys. There is a huge buyer for them. Lately, there's no more reaction that happened. SunDL, we have TLY, we've got CGC. Many cannabis stocks did pretty nice in beginning of this year. So, man, yes, SunDL, CGC as well here. I think CGC is cannabis stock, yes? I think so. What else we have here? Mora is okay. Let me just go to CGC and see if this cannabis stock as well. Let me just check the markets or sales of cannabis. Exactly, CGC is cannabis stock. Nice. So guys, now I'm gonna put another list and name it cannabis stock. We have crypto, we have crypto lists, crypto stocks. Maybe I will change it to not crypto stocks, but cannabis stocks. Weed stocks. And put another list. Add a section. I'll put request and here weed. And put, wait a second, I'm gonna put weed stocks there. We have SunDL, we have CGC. Let me know, guys, in comment section below if I missed something. Guys, let me know if you saw a good cannabis stock that pumping lately. Let me know in the comment section below. Guys, let me know in comment section below if you have saw any cannabis stock doing all right lately, so we could put it on the list. Okay, tier Y, FLGC. FLGC. Let me just check if this cannabis stock. This one is cannabis stock as well. Looking good. Yes, looking good. Else, what else? We have Allure. Is that cannabis stock as well? Let me just check. Guys, please just put cannabis stocks. Only cannabis stock. Let me just check if this cannabis stock. This one, default obesity. No, man. Pharmaceutical. This one is pharmaceutical. Yes, Allure is jumping and jumping, but now we want cannabis stocks, guys, to put it there. Green. Okay. Yeah, I will put TLRY. TLRY, of course, number one. After that, we got SunDL. Yes, SunDL is reversing. Okay, we have those stocks that we have to watch later. TCBB pushing down, Nikola. And now I have to put Allure. This one is doing all right. and it's pumping pretty nice at the moment. We might have, let me just check this one. Yeah, we might have a break here. 92. Let me just check the technical. Yeah, we've got the target there and there. So there's some little room toward the $3.75. Yeah, a little room to go higher before a flush. Allure, we have a little room, guys, toward the 3.75. We've got support for this one, the first support, 294. The bottom should be over the 249. TCBP found support over the 235. Nikola is recalling up. RELI, this one would be good for buying the dip around the 40 cents. This is it. Okay, watch out, guys. Ford is still looking all right. Ford is still looking all right for tomorrow. Tomorrow we expect another kick up, guys. We expect another kick up around 1450 would be perfect for tomorrow hunt. So Ford is still looking juicy. Wheat stock, I will do update later for wheat stock. Allure, this one, this is the last trade for today. I think will be the last trade for today. Thank you for the help, Sunray. Exactly, man. There's always opportunity in the market. Great to remind everybody to never feel FOMO. Vector, 90% in one day, not in 1 week or this week. IMCC. Yes, this one could give us another gain. 92 in just 1 day, brother. IMCC. Not good now. For now, is not good. TCBB started to recurl. Yeah, the only one that looked good now is Allure, guys. This one could be good for today. Look at this beautiful chart. So now we have to wait. Remember, guys, remember to hit the like button on the way in, and remember to plus the like button on the way in. And of course, we always do our live streaming each day 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube, and after that we do it on our Discord. We here on our Discord, guys, we do pre-market live streaming each day, and after that we do those alert short analysis, day trade, swing trade. Last time we did TRY. We did TRY back in beginning of or the end of March, 22nd of March, before the pump, and HUT before the pump, of course, from the $10. So we do swing trade, we do crypto trade. So join us, guys, here on Patreon first. The link in comment section below. I will just put it again if you want to have early access, live streaming, chart update for day trade and everything. The link in the comment or live chat section. And as a reminder, guys, please, during the live hours, if you want to have live alerts, you have to be elite hunters. If you are elite right now, you can have access to live alerts. How that work is really simple. You go on the elite request here and tell me, like, Jesus, what's going on with this stock or that stock? I'll do short update for you for exact entry and exit. However, if you're not elite, please just leave your like request or question here on the question level or question channel, And the next day, I'm gonna cover for you on our Patreon here on special Patreon, on our live streaming that we do 2 hours and 30 minutes. Just in case if you just joined us yesterday, because Brian, yesterday you asked me about something about Lunar. Yes. So, and the emoji was really funny because he said I was in bed. Yes, it was too late, man. It's almost like 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. here in Paris time, so it's really too late for me. I was eating, not sleeping. So yeah, I could reply on your questions on late hours. If you're elite, I will make sure to like answer your question if it's really important. But yeah, if you have any question, please just leave it here. I will reply as soon as possible. Allure looking perfect, guys, and still jumping to the moon. This one is jumping, guys. Perfect. This is the last trade in the day, guys. And I prefer to close the trade right now with this profit. You are welcome, Travis. You are welcome. Hit the like button on the way. And everybody, thank you for the hunt. Thank you for being here. As we said, Allure is the last trade for today. We're gonna take our profit right now because it's getting near the 3.75, which is the resistance. Goodbye. I'm gonna exit right now without feeling FOMO because here we're gonna have a pullback. Perfect. So we exited from Allure because we spotted SLR around the 3.75. Okay, let me just check it for you, Sunray. This one. is is a stock from Brazil, man. Are you kidding me? You bought it wrong ticker symbol, man. Deal update for today in out deal. What is that the ticker symbol, man? Is that the ticker symbol? Nope. I think you made a mistake, man. You are welcome, Richie. You see, now we have the selling pressure. It happened just after we sold. Really risky, man, for this one. Deals stock to get into. Stock to get into. Of course, man, if we got a good update or good entry zone for mini stock, I will update you, brother. Don't worry. Then I will update you. Food. I'm hungry, man. Don't talk about food in front of me. Don't talk everybody about any food. Okay, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming. Thank you for watching. We're gonna do update later on our Discord and Patreon. Join us over there, guys, for early hunt for early live streaming. And of course, tomorrow, as usual, 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube. Thank you for being here. Let me just check VVBR for my brother before I go. So VVBR, brother, where's VVBR? I can see it. I just do this. VVBR, nothing much, man. 560 is the support. Resistance is the 744. Bottom, if we flushed, is the 411. Profit taken is the 970 and the 1390 if we broke the $7.44. So, guys, thank you for watching. See you by tomorrow. Yes, thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you for the support. Dan, again, brother, you are on the elite level, okay? You are on the elite level, so just go here on the elite request and Discord and ask me anything about any stock, okay? I will reply as soon as possible because you have access to live alert. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you by tomorrow. Thank you for being here. See you on Friday.